Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread for Caesar salad. First, select a good quality, day-old bread such as a baguette or sourdough. Cut the bread into 1-inch cubes to ensure they toast evenly. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing it for the baking process. This initial preparation is key for delicious, crispy croutons. Now, let's add some delicious flavor. In a large bowl, toss your bread cubes with 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, ensuring each piece is lightly coated. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a generous pinch of salt. For an extra kick, add some freshly ground black pepper. These seasonings will give your croutons that classic Caesar taste. It's time to bake. Spread your seasoned bread cubes in a single layer on a baking sheet. Avoid overcrowding to ensure they crisp up nicely. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are golden brown and firm. Remember to flip them halfway through the baking time to achieve an even crispness on all sides. Keep a close eye on them. Once baked, remove your croutons from the oven and let them cool completely on the baking sheet. This step is crucial for maximum crispness. Store any leftover croutons in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. For the best texture, add these homemade croutons to your Caesar salad right before you serve it. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.